This is how to install Windows Movie Maker. Just follow the link in the description and follow what I do. So, follow the link in the description. I have it on the way. Now to the website with more in the description. Then soon you'll page like this. Now it works for like Windows 7, Windows XP. I don't know about Windows XP, but oh my god. Okay, now just say English, of course. Then say download. Say save. Save it to your desktop or something. But you have to install it. And well, that's all for now. Watch the next part. Watch part 2 of how to use Windows Movie Maker. So, bye. Now, how to use Windows Movie Maker. Now, read this. Okay, now since you did, that's also going to be up there. There may be multiple parts. So now since you install Windows Movie Maker, I'm going to show you how to use it in the next part. So, bye. Hey YouTubers, this is how to use Windows Movie Maker. First you can download Mario or SpongeBob episodes because there's links in the description. Right now only I have a Mario World episode. I don't know what you want me to show you. Yeah, if you want me to how to make or make a YouTube, once it's done, right back. I know that I'm like good with links and everything, but I don't want to put the sound pack in, so you're just gonna have to Google it. And yeah, I'm sorry. Unless you are a friend, and if you give me your address, I can go over here to your house, put all the sound packs on a flash drive, and give them to you for free. Okay. Now you want to like say import audio or music. Oh, sorry, I was doing Mario Machinima. Go to sound, poop. I might have to take a little bit of breaks, so. In here, Bowser's gonna say, like, what's the one thing that rottens people's minds? You can import English, so it's gonna sound like, what's one thing that rottens people? Yeah. So right there, he says rotten people's mind. Make sure that you want to split the clip and mute it. Rotten people's. It may not come out how you want it to be, but yeah, still good. Okay, right there. Now you want to split it. put it where the penis thing is, and then you want to mute the clip, like properties. Actually, you click on the clip, go to clip, audio, volume, and say mute clip. So that way it would sound like this. See? So, there you go. Bye bye everybody. This is a tutorial of how to use Windows Movie Maker.